Hi, I would like to show you functionality of Git and GitHub. Here, Git is local client tool to manage your source codes of projects in the repositories, and GitHub is a remote hosting service which allows to share the repositories with a team who working on it to do modifications like edit, attach a new file, or delete using Git client. Let me show you the environment first. I already installed the Git. So these are the commands that we can use using the Git tool. So this is the location where Git was installed, and check the version. This is the version of Git and the configuration files that we have to follow. So these are the rules that we have to follow while creating a configuration with the Git. Let's check the status of Git currently. No, I don't have any repository right in the present working directory. So let's make a directory with the name Git. So it was created on the desktop. Let's do the ls and check the files, whether any files exist in the directory or not. Let's move to the git directory. So I don't have any files in this git directly. So let's clone the repository which was I created in the github by using the url of the repository, cloning it. So let's copy and do the clone. Paste here the url. So it was cloned with the local working directory. Let's check the files now. So web2 was we can access the repository from the local system. Move to the web2 directory. So by default we have a readme file. So I can edit, create or delete any files from my local system in github by using the git tool. Now check the status. So I don't have any files to launch. You can see here we have the desktop registration.html file that was recently created on. So I would like to move this file into the repository. So let's copy those files. So here we can see in the repository folder we can see two files, registration.html and readme. Let's refresh the url. We can't see apart from readme. So let's check the status of git now. So it was showing that it is an untracked file. So let me add to the repository. Now check the status. So now it was synced with the repository. To see the changes what you have made here in the github, we have to commit the modifications what you have done. So not that I have done any commit. So let's check by doing the commit. with a message like initial one. So I would like to do the all files to commit. Check the status. So now we have to push these modifications into the repository. So git push. Now refresh the GitHub browser. So we can see here the new registration.html file. So when you go to the file, see here is the source code of this registration.html file. If you open this file here in this Chrome, this is the UI going to be looks like. So we can do any modifications like edit or delete. Let's do delete or create a new file like PHP file. So now we can't see here in our local machine PHP file. Let's that for that we have to do the pull. So now we can see the PHP file that was created in this GitHub repository. So we can do the delete also. Go here and delete this file PHP what I was created right now. So again we have to do the pull operation to see the changes. Now we can see PHP is removed from the repository. So this is the way Git and GitHub works together. So let's say a development team working on the project from different locations and want to make a changes with a team collaboration. In that case we use Git and GitHub, which is a version controller. Basically we can do modifications of the files which made effect dynamically on project repositories. The main concept here is we can update the project files at any time that we wish. Thanks.